Hey there, ever heard of James Watt? He was a super smart inventor from Scotland who made the steam engine way more powerful. His machines basically started the Industrial Revolution, and the unit of power, the watt, is named after him. Pretty cool, right? Let's learn the math behind his inventions. First up, power. Power tells you how fast work gets done. The formula is simple. P equals W divided by T. P is power, measured in watts. W is work, measured in joules. And T is time, measured in seconds. So if a machine does more work in less time, it's more powerful. Let's try it. A factory machine does 200 joules of work in 10 seconds. What's its power? We take the formula. P equals W divided by T. Plug in the numbers. 200 divided by 10 equals 20 watts. Nice and easy. Next, work. Work is what happens when a force moves something a certain distance. The formula is W equals F times D. W is work in joules. F is the force in newtons, that's how hard you push. And D is the distance in meters, how far it goes. Push harder or push farther, and you do more work. Example time. A package is pushed with a force of 50 newtons across 4 meters of floor. How much work is done? W equals F times D. That's 50 times 4, which equals 200 joules. You just did 200 joules of work, awesome. Now for potential energy. When you lift something up, it stores energy, like a battery waiting to go. The formula is E equals M times G times H. M is the mass in kilograms. G is gravity, we use 10 in this game. And H is the height in meters. The higher and heavier something is, the more energy it stores. Let's calculate. A 10 kilogram box is sitting on a shelf 3 meters above the ground. How much potential energy does it have? E equals M times G times H. That's 10 times 10 times 3, which equals 300 joules of stored energy. If it falls, all that energy turns into motion. Kinetic energy is the energy of movement. The formula is E equals 1/2 times M times versus squared. The cool thing? If you double your speed, you get 4 times the energy, because speed is squared. A slow turtle has barely any energy, but a speedy cheetah? Tons of it. Try this one. A skater weighing 2 kilograms races across the ice at 4 meters per second. First, square the speed. 4 times 4 equals 16. Then E equals 1/2 times 2 times 16. That's 1 times 16, which equals 16 joules of kinetic energy. James Watt actually invented the idea of horsepower. He needed to show people how his steam engines compared to horses. 1 horsepower, or PS, equals 735.5 watts. So 2 horsepower? That's 2 times 735.5, which equals 1471 watts. Now you can convert between horses and watts like a pro. Let's do a super quick recap. Power. P equals W over T. Work. W equals F times D. Potential energy. E equals M times G times H. Kinetic energy. E equals 1/2 mv squared. And horsepower. 1 PS equals 735.5 watts. You've got all 5 formulas, now let's see them in action. This is what it looks like in the game. Physics questions pop up, you solve them fast, and your fighter attacks. The faster and more accurate you are, the harder you hit. Get on a streak and you'll unleash special moves. You now have everything it takes to master James Watt mode. You know power, work, energy, and horsepower. Now get in there, train, fight, and win. See you in the arena.